Hello viewers, this is King Kelly Foundation. This moment we will be teaching you how to encode a message. This is a branch of cryptography study. Cryptography is the science of secrecy, the science or method of sending secret information. Now let us take a simple way of doing that. You want to encode a message. The first thing you do is to begin by assigning a standard code, which is a number to each letter in the alphabet. When you see space, use 0. When you see other number, just like letters of the alphabet. So assign starting from letter A, give it to 1, down to the 26th letter, make it what? Z. So just like take each of them one after the other, assign it normal. This is just a simplest way of coding a message. Then that message you want to code, you now enumerate it by converting it to numbers as you've seen in this alphabets. Then now let them be a row matrix. Encode them by converting it to numbers and partitioned into uncoded row matrices, each having n number of entries. Start by saying prepare to negotiate. This is a message you want to send out. As a security officer, you want to send out. Now you say prepare to negotiate. You now have to assign numbers to each of the letters and spaces as follows. P stands for 16, R 18, 5 is E, A, B, C, D, E, 5. P 16, A is 1, R is 18, and so on. This space, you put 0. Down to the last one, you put 0. So, when you have done that, you will break the enumerated message into groups of n depending on the n by n invertible matrix we choose. So in this case, this is a matrix you have chosen, and this is a matrix that is invertible. The determinant is not 0. So you now have to encode the matrix in this format and then use this matrix here to code it. We said this is the encoding matrix or simply the encoder. We break the enumerated matrix into 3 by 1 matrix called ordered column vectors like this. This is prepare to negotiate. You start from here 16, 18, 5. P R E P R E P and so on and so forth. A R, and you continue counting it as that is the case. Then these uncoded column matrices, and they say these are encoded column matrices, and note that it is necessary to add a space at the end of the message to complete the last vector. Then form the uncoded matrix in a 3 by 7 matrices as shown below. You see that column vectors, you put them into matrix form like this, so it will give us a 3 by 7 matrix. So the uncoded column vectors are ordered, so any change alters the text message. If you try to shift any of these to one or just switch them, the message will change in total. So what we now do is to encode the message by multiplying each of the above vectors by the encoding matrix. This can be done by writing above vectors as column of matrix and perform the matrix multiplication of that matrix with the encoding matrix. Look at this is the encoding matrix, and this is the matrix that has what the message you want to code. So this is it. Use it to pre-multiply the encoding the message you are to code. So when you finish multiplying it, carrying out matrix multiplication, you know the this is row versus column. The row will multiply the column, it will give you all these things you are seeing here. Then when you finish, this is now the message you are to send. When you put it in a string, you see the columns of this matrix give the encoded message. The message is transmitted in the following linear form. So you put it in this form as 122, you take it this way: 122, 23, 138, minus 122, and so on. Don't change it. You take it column by column, column by column. It will pass the same message which you want to code. Thank you so much. In our next video, we'll look at method of decoding a message. We will take example of this message we've done. Thank you and God bless you.